Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
I bet that. I bet that it's going to rain. Yep, those clouds are dark. I bet that our team will win the championship. That's a good bet. I bet that you are tired. It's been a long day. I bet that this pizza tastes amazing. It looks really good. I bet that you had a great time. Yes, it was a fantastic vacation. I bet that the test will be difficult tomorrow. I'm not looking forward to it. I bet that jacket was expensive. It sure was. I bet that your parents are proud of you. I think they are. I bet that new phone has amazing features. You name it, it has it. I bet that you will feel better after a good night's sleep. Oh yes, no doubt. Okay, it's substitution practice. I bet that. I bet that it will rain tomorrow. I bet that it will be sunny next week. I bet that it will snow in the morning. I bet that this cake tastes amazing. I bet that he will order a burger. I bet that you'll love this new restaurant. I bet that they are having fun in Paris. I bet that the flight is delayed. I bet that you will love visiting Japan. It's likely. It's likely to rain. It's likely to be hot today. It's likely to be stormy later. It's likely that it's spicy. It's likely that she will order dessert. It's likely that it'll be crowded tonight. It's likely that she has a cold. It's likely that sleep will improve your mood. It's likely that exercising will make you feel better. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please go to my Patreon page, support me there so I can support you here. Get all the worksheets we do in our live stream classes. Okay, thanks so much. Please go to Patreon. Okay, I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.